All right, everybody, this is my most recent scrapyard discovery. The tines of this forklift got buried under the ground when they offloaded it, and she will be mine. It's like 36 degrees and drizzling and windy. It's treacherous. But yeah, we'll see if I can get that out of there. All right, there it is. Got it off. Got it in the back of the truck. Starting to snow. I got done just in time. Okay, so this is that first hole I dug. I pulled that tyne off, and now I've decided I've got to have the other one. So I'm gonna be digging this one out today. Okay, so we got here, we have a fossilized tusk of the Forkis lifticus. It's just about ready to come out. Thick. Might be able to pry this thing out now. Oh. Get that pin up. Should do it. Oh, that's going good. See if it'll get out. I think we got it. Hold on. Oh yeah. All right. Hold just a second. Okay, I made it back home. Got the, this will be the second one. I guess the first one is over there on the sawhorses. So yeah, I feel pretty good, got this done. Actually, I cut the video off of me loading it up because one of the scrapyard workers showed up, and I just went ahead and hit stop. I didn't want to have all that to deal with, so he actually helped me carry it to the truck, which is a bonus. The first one I had to get there myself, but yeah, thankful for that. He helped me out. Had I not seen this at the scrapyard, I was planning on working on my anvil and just heat treating it and heating it up and quenching it, but this stuff here is I think it's like 4140, so it's pretty hard material, pretty tough. So I think I might actually cut a section off of it and put a taper on one end and turn it into an anvil face and just weld it onto my anvil and be done with it. I think it's actually going to be easier that way. So yeah, let me know what you think.